Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Slow English Stories. Today's story is about a strange library, a place full of books, silence, and a hidden mystery. You will practice listening, shadowing, and learn 4 useful phrases for reading and studying in English. Stay with me until the end and discover what happened inside this library. This episode will help you practice English step by step. You will listen to a mystery story, repeat sentences with me, and learn new vocabulary. Stay with me until the end and discover what happened inside this library. This episode will help you practice English step by step. You will listen to a mystery story, repeat sentences with me, and learn new vocabulary. If you enjoy learning with stories, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more episodes every day. It was a rainy evening. Anna walked into the old city library. The air was cold. The lights were dim. She looked around and felt something strange. The librarian whispered, "Welcome. The library is open until midnight." Anna found a big wooden table and opened a book. But as she read, she heard footsteps. She looked up. Nobody was there. Suddenly, a page in her book had a sentence written in red ink. It said, "Find the hidden door." Anna froze. She wanted to ask for help. But the library was silent, too silent. Useful phrase 1. Can you help me find this book? Repeat after me. Anna walked between the shelves. She saw shadows moving, and another message appeared on a paper. Go to the last shelf. She whispered to herself, "I don't understand what's happening." Useful phrase 2. I am looking for information. Repeat with me. At the last shelf, she pushed a heavy book, and suddenly a hidden door opened. Behind it was a small secret room. Inside, she found old letters, maps, and a candle still burning. Someone had been there just before her. Useful phrase 3. I need a quiet place to read. Repeat with me. Anna closed the secret door. She took a deep breath and left the library quickly. She promised herself she would return another day. Shadowing, round 1. Now it's your turn. Repeat with me. The library was silent. She opened the book. She heard footsteps. She found a hidden door. Shadowing, round 2. Let's do it again. She was afraid. She read a secret message. She walked to the last shelf. She left quickly into the night. Vocabulary practice. Let's practice some words from today's story. Library means a place with many books. Repeat, library. Shelf means a place to put books. Repeat, shelf. Whisper means speaking very softly. Repeat, whisper. Door means the entrance to a room. Repeat, door. Silent means no sound, no noise. Repeat, silent. Recap. Let's review the story. Anna entered a strange library. She read a mysterious message. She discovered a hidden door, and she left in silence. Great job! Today you practiced listening, shadowing, and vocabulary with me. Remember, small steps every day will make you more confident in English. If you enjoyed this mystery, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in English. Question: would you enter the secret room in the library? Why or not? In tomorrow's episode, I will share another funny story about a lost phone. See you soon!